Hello guys, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog again. Today, I would like to update my membership and join button. I update and add some perks that will benefits in our renewal members or incoming members. So these are all the updates guys. I add 1,000 views from level 1, 2, and 3 and 2,000 views for level 4 and 5. So to all the people that rejoined and already a member to me, I already give them these new updates or new additional perks to them. So what is the importance of become a member of Pinay Pai team? I'm not gonna tell you guys unless you become a member and you gonna go and see what's the difference. And then to all the members that is already monetized, I play your video every other day as a monetized channel. Kasi hindi na tayo naghahanap ng oras guys, naghahanap na tayo ng revenue. So it will help. Okay, ito na yung mga update guys. Pinay Pai 1 is the roots, $3.99. You can have loyalty, badges, and emojis, and play your videos 5 hours daily, plus 1,000 views to the video that your choice na palagyan. Level Pinay Pai 2 branch will play your video 10 hours daily, $6.99, and plus 1,000 views to your video's choice. Free. And Pinay Pai 3, the leaves is $9.99. Will play 15 hours daily and 1,000 views to your video's choice. Level 4 is the fruit. Will play your videos until you become 4,000 until you have your 4,000 watch hours, regular gadgets, and flex your channels and activities, and plus 2,000 views to your video's choice, $19.99. Pinay Pai 5 is the harvest. Will flex and share your activities, and then you can have 2,000 watch hours plus 2,000 to 3,000 views in our video's choice. And you must have a 1 hour either regular videos or your live streaming videos, and you must already have 2,000 watch hours to avail this level. Okay guys, sa mga monetized channel at sa nag-rejoin na guys, they already have all this. They already are having all these 1,000 views free. And then for all the information to everybody, if you want watch hours, bananas, mga likes, dislikes, oras, comments, at saka Google AdWords, mayroon tayong available guys. We are affordable and then refundable, 100% refundable and refillable. So, kung sino yung nangangailangan ng tulong at alam ninyo na gusto nilang madaliin yung nila, yung mga YouTube nila, kapag maka-refer kayo, mayroon kayong price or mayroon kayong free. So, you can just contact me in my Facebook page. Ilagay ko dyan sa baba sa description, or kapag may kakilala kayo na already be in my team, ask them what is in my membership and how it works and how Pinay Pi sa American Vlog help to them. I know that we have a lot of people, we have all YouTubers, big YouTubers, they have all different way, their perks and everything and services to us. And my goal is to help everybody to get monetized and maabot sa bulsa yung nangangailangan. If we can play or we can help free or slowly or regular, we will. If you want in rush, then we have also, okay? PM is the key, as what they say. So guys, kung sino yung nangangailangan ng tulong dyan, punta kayo sa akin in my live stream, message you yung YouTube ko, and we'll get you there. So, that's all our updates, guys. And I would like to thank you to all my supporters, to all the members that always come and help my revenue para makasahod tayo every month to nag-rejoin sa akin. Thank you very much na kahit hindi ako nag-join sa kanila kasi wala pang budget si host, Ginoo ko. So thank you very much, and I would like to go and thank you sa lahat ng mga suporta at saka naniniwala sa akin, and I hope you satisfy and I can do more than that. Sabihin nyo sa akin, if I'm not busy, I will do everything what you need para masatisfy kayo as my team, as your host, para naman matulungan ko kayo kahit papano. In that way, at least makatulong tayo sa isa't isa. Kasi guys, even though we are already monetized, we still need everybody backup, supports para sa mga videos niyo na ina-upload. And thank you also guys sa mga taong hindi pa nagme-members or nagme-member sa akin. Salamat sa mga patuwad, sa mga pa-likes dyan, sa mga pa-share, sa pagpapunta ng mga sa LS ko, sa pag-share ng mga panunood ng videos ko na walang mga kabuluhan. Thank you very much guys, and that's all for today guys. This is Pinay Pi sa American Vlog. I thank you very much sa mga members ko, and I will go and have a special thankful to my supporters and members in my next videos. Okay guys, so once again, thank you very much, and I would like to go and sign off for right now, and thank you very much. You have the good and health and keep safe palagi guys. Thank you, bye bye.